character demolition and assassination. Kami pa ang pinalabas na kami yung corrupt and cases were filed against us. And surprisingly, it was even used against us during this election. Only to find out, nalaman ko pala na February pa lang, na-dismiss na yung kaso, pero July nilabas. Na-dismiss na pala yung mga kaso. Itong corruption na nangyayari po na ito po is syndicated na, highly organized crime. Kung ang nakikita nyo, akala nyo yung mga contractor lang, ang may sala, hindi po yan. May sala ang contractor, may sala yung mga involved dyan sa mga infrastruktura ng proyekto. Hindi pa yan. Ang pinaka-sakim dyan, pinaka-mastermind dyan, yung mga politiko. Kaya hindi ho dapat tayo huminto. Dahil ito'y laban ho natin para sa kabataan, laban din ho natin to para sa ating bayan. Because this is the only way we will be able to change the world. Sabi ko nga it does not take one to have a title, to have a position, to have influence, to have fame, to have money. All you have to do is have that courage to change the world. And you are practically doing it now.